been going on since for 30 years. This is our 30th year. The person that started it is a licensed dietitian, so we also incorporate different things in there. So not just to do with the animal rights piece, but more about the health aspect of a plant-based diet.
Could you tell me the dietitian's name that started FVA?
Yes, Florida Voice for Animals was started by Miriam Parham and her mother originally.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name is Brian Brown, BRIAN
Why are you here today?
So we're part of an organization called Florida Animal Rights Assembly. What we do is we show footage of factory farms and testing laboratories and rodeos and other types of entertainment venues that abuse animals. And we show this to show people what happens to animals before they wind up as a product on the shelf or in a restaurant or wherever else. And we hold the position that all of this happens not because of any lapse in welfare standards or anything like that. It happens because animals don't have rights. If we think that they have so few rights that we can decide whether and how they live or die, we can decide that we can own them, that we can own a life, then the type of things that are happening in these videos is inevitable. There aren't any standards that are going to make this any better. It's something that's going to happen. So we promote principally animal rights, and the key tenet of that is veganism. That we practice animal rights by refusing to consume anything that was